Hi everyone and welcome back to Login Science. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to use Stitch feature on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The very first step is to open the application TikTok. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now first of all you need to search for the video that you want to add the clip from. Then tap the share icon at the right. Here in the menu, swipe left and you'll get to see the feature of Stitch. Head over to it. Now select the part of the video that you want to add to your own video. Let me just select the very first part of the video. Once you are done, click on the next at the top right corner. Now you can record the original portion of your TikTok video. You can record with any effects and the filter that you prefer. Once you are done, click on the check mark at the right. You'll get to see the preview of your Stitch TikTok video that you have just made right now. Now you can add any feature that is available here to your video. And you can even enter the text that you want. Once you are done, click on next at the bottom. Now your Stitch video is ready to post. So this is all it takes to use Stitch feature on TikTok. I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video.